What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2007 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail. This thing is super nice. It's nice and clean. It's got the 96 cubic inch motor, and it is here in our shop and ready to be bought. You guys should check this thing out. So let's look at it up close and personal. Got here on the rear tire. You can see it's got plenty of tread. I'm gonna call that like 40 or 50%. So plenty of miles left on there. Good to go for any kind of inspection. Here in the rear fenders, you can see you got the turn signal, tail light, got the license plate mount, got the little luggage rack back here. There's also the reflector light. So coming around on the side here, you can see the color on this thing is very nice. This blue is nice. I like it a lot. A lot of the chrome is really shiny. It's got the leather bags with the studs on it. Got that there on the side of the seat as well. All this stuff's in nice shape. It has the Python pipes. They're looking good. As you can see, they sound even better. They got a good pop to them. Got the passenger floorboard there with the chrome on the bottom. Got your oil tank. I've been getting ripped apart for calling this a side cover. So there you go. That is that. You got the seat here. All the seams on the seat are really good. Nothing's torn. Nothing even really hardly looks worn at all. Got the handle there. Got the passenger seat. Got the sissy bar. We'll look at that more in a minute. Let's look here at the side of the tank. Got the blue and the silver. It's a really nice color. Got the painted on badge. This thing is it's a nice shape. That doesn't mean it's perfect. It's got a little small imperfection, right up here. Sorry, I want to get in close. Right there, my pointer finger, you can see there's a scratch. But the chrome is all in really nice shape. Here you can see the motor, looking good. Got the air cleaner there. All that. The twin cam badge. It does have a 6-speed transmission. Always nice to have that extra gear when you're out on the highway. Got your rider floorboard. Got your rear brake. It does have the crash bars. They're in good shape. Top up here to the handlebars. Got your throttle, mirror, front brake. It does have the windshield, with the small bags in here. We'll see those in a little bit. Spin it around. Got that nice big headlight. You got the two auxiliary lights here. They're nice, with the turn signals there and there. Again, let's look at these fork tubes. Just look at this chrome. This chrome really popped out really nicely. There is that on both sides. You got the Heritage Softail badge on the front of the fender on both sides. Here in the front fender, there's some light, I'm gonna call them like scuffs, because they're not really scratches, they're just in the clear coat. There and there and there. It's almost like someone was like cleaning it with something was just a little bit too abrasive. So there is that. Got your front marker light. Here's your front tire. I'd say this tread is about the same as the back tire, same condition, about 50%. A lot of miles left, good to go for inspection. I'll spin this bad boy around. So you can see on this side, you can see your front brake. There's your front brake. You can see the wheel from this side. It is the spoked wheel. What else we got here? We got the crash bars on this side. Jump up here to your handlebars. You got the handlebars, clutch lever, mirror. Let's see the tank from this side. This thing again is in nice shape. There is it's a little bit of marks right there. That is that. There is a light scratch right there on the tank, and there's also a light little mark right there. You can see it on the video there. Other than that, this tank is looking to be in really nice shape. See the motor, got the horn cover. You got your rider floorboard, got the toe shifter, and you have the heel shifter. I'm a big fan of the heel shifter. Got your transmission down here. Goes back to the belt drive. It's hard to see it in there. You can see the belt in here, and then you got your belt guard. There's your passenger floorboard again, some more chrome. And you see the side bag here. Again, the leather side bag with the studs is looking good. Spin this thing around, look at it a little bit from the back. Come over the top here, you see the luggage rack that I mentioned earlier. Got the back of the sissy bar. Spin this, see the sissy bar here. You can see the seam is good there, all the way down here in the middle of the passenger seat. Rider seat's in nice shape. This is a pretty comfortable seat. It's not quite that really wide seat, but it is a very comfortable seat. Here you can see the chrome is good here. Actually gonna catch reflection of my camera there a little bit. The ignition, your speedometer. Here on the handlebars, you got all your controls, mirrors. Here are these bags I was talking about. They're the Velcro. Just the little, like, the pouches. You know, the keys are in there, whatever. Got controls over here. Turn that kill switch off. Turn the ignition on. You guys aren't gonna believe it. 13,309 miles. Not a lot of miles for this year. There'll be a few more after the test drive, so don't miss out on the test drive of this bike. It will be up on YouTube. And if you're serious about this bike, it's gonna be something you're gonna wanna see. Let's fire this thing up real quick. So there is that. Let's make sure that the turn signals work. Get your front signal there. Got your front signal on that side. Let's come around there and go look at the back. Got your rear signal there. And your rear signal there. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. Like I said, this is a 2000 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail. Do not miss out on this thing. You're gonna wanna get this bike if you're into the Heritage Softail bikes. This is gonna be the one you're gonna want, so check it out and check out srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.